Hi guys, I had 3 questions on last night's homework. The first one was number 3. So when I'm finding the links between two chords, I'm looking at right where they cross, so right here. So I'm going to take these two and multiply them together. So I'm going to get x times x, and that's going to equal this side, which is 2 times this side here. Well, right here is a radius. So how long is my radius? Well, going from here this way, my entire radius comes out to be 5, the 2 here plus the 3. So if this radius is 5, I know this guy right here has to also be 5. Well, I'm looking for where they cross. So I know 2, that's part of my chord, and the other part is the 3 plus the 5, which means this entire length here is going to be 8. So now I'm going to get x squared is equal to 2 times 8, which is 16. So x is equal to, and take the square root, plus or minus 4. It can't be a negative because I have to be positive lengths here. So x is equal to 4. But right here is most likely where you guys had your trouble. You had to figure out what your radius is. And we know that all radii are the exact same in your circle. So if this guy is 5, because my 2 plus 3 here, and then I'm going to add the 3 plus the 5 to give me a length of 8. Number 6, I'm going to take this guy, which has a length of x, and here has a length of 9. So I'm going to get x times 9, and that's going to equal this length here, which is 3 times this length. Well, they're telling me my entire chord has a length of 16, but I know I've already used 3 right here. So what is just this guy supposed to be? That would give me 13. The 16 minus 3 gives me 13. And so I get 3 times 13. So 9 times x is going to give me 9x, and that is equal to 3 times 13, which is 39. Dividing both by 9. So I accepted 39 over 9. I also accepted 4 1/3, and I also accepted 4.3. So however you entered your answers in, it took all of those. And number 7, you had to draw your own picture for this one. In a circle, diameter AB, so I'm going through the center here, AB is extended through B to an external point P. So P is out here, and I have AB as my diameter. And they're saying that PC is tangent to my circle. So I'm going to make PC coming out here. That guy is tangent. They're telling me that BP is 4 and PC is 6. It's asking to find the length of AB, this entire guy right here. That's what I'm looking for. So that's my setup. That's my picture. I have a tangent and a secant. And I know for this, I'm going to do tangent squared. So I'm going to get 6 squared. And that's going to be equal to my secant exterior, which is 4 times the secant whole. So it's going to be the 4 plus my inside x. So I'm going to get 4 plus x here. So distributing, 6 squared is going to give me 36. That's equal to 16 plus 4x. Minus 16 from both sides. So I get 20 is equal to 4x, which means x is equal to 5. All right, guys, I hope that helped. Till next time.